back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to convert crypto to stable coins in Ace Wallet. First, open the Ace Wallet application and log in using your credentials. On the home screen, you can see a home tab. Click on it and you will see a swap crypto option there. In the exchange screen, choose the stablecoin you want to convert your cryptocurrency to. Common stablecoins available on Ace Wallet include USDT, which is Tether, and USDC, which is USD coin, and DAI. Ensure you have created a wallet for the stablecoin if you haven't already. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to convert. Ace Wallet will show you the equivalent amount in the selected stablecoin. Review the details including the conversion rate and fees. If everything looks good, tap Confirm to initiate the exchange. The transaction may take few minutes to complete depending on network speed and liquidity. Once the conversion is completed, your stablecoin will appear on the corresponding wallet within the Ace Wallet application. Ensure that both the cryptocurrency and stablecoin you wish to exchange are supported by Ace Wallet. Be aware of network fees and exchange rate that may vary during the transaction. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.